When I first start cutting hair, I brush everything down on the sides, on top, like I'm showing you right here. And I'm gonna start with the number 2 on top. Make sure you get everything on the sides, and then no flyaways, nothing. And right here, I'm starting with the 0 on the bottom, lever closed. So I bring out my bronze shavers. This is what's gonna bring the skin fade out. And tight, real close. And you basically just let the machine do the work. So now I got everything shaved on the bottom. I'm gonna start my first with my half guard. Fix that little guideline I got going on. I got that side done. I'm gonna bring my lever up all the way up and just go down that way. And this is my 1 guard. Then right here I got my 1.5 guard. Right here I'm just playing with my lever now, so I'm bringing it up when I'm up and bringing it down when I'm going down. I brought out my slim last night and I'm bringing out the line that I did with my bronze. Just little, not too much going all the way up. Showing you the same thing on this side, just bringing it up a little. This is where I start to fade a little. This is my lever closed. And the guideline I did with my slim lines, I'm slowly gonna bring my lever up. I'm bringing my lever up little by little every time I come to my left side to the right side. So if you can catch that right there. I don't really got a good angle on it, but the same thing on the back side as I did on the other side. When I'm coming from my left side to my right side, I'm bringing my lever up every time. Same thing on this side, bring my lever up little by little. Hopefully I can catch on, watch. Right here, I'm gonna just edge him up the best I can, you know, with not bringing it all the way up and not pushing it all the way back. Slim lines are 0 gap. It's what I usually use to edge out. And on the beard, I'm not gonna touch it, so I'm gonna just fade that little sideburn piece you got. basically it right there, guys. I'll try to get more angles on the next video, a little more close-ups and all that. But you know, leave a comment, let me know what y'all think.